I'm Dr. Johnson, your host. Welcome. So we're just waiting on some people to join us. If you want to share the screen, just press the button at the bottom of the screen. Sharing is caring. If you have a friend you want to hear this message, just tag them. Welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the Gorgeous RX system. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased. If that's you, follow me on facebook.com/Dr. Sonia Johnson. DrSonyaJohnson. Today I'm going to talk about anti-acne products such as exfoliators. And as you recall, a major group is your alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acid. So your alpha hydroxy acid are products such as glycolic acid or lactic acid, whereas beta hydroxy acids are salicylic acid. So for glycolic acid, you can find, actually any one of these ingredients, the products, the beta hydroxy, the salicylic acid, lactic acid, or glycolic acid. You can find any one of these in creams, cleansers, as well as moisturizers. And then, of course, as a straight chemical peel. So, as far as the difference between the two, for your alpha hydroxy acids, which includes the lactic acid as well as glycolic acid, my preference is the glycolic acid, and mainly because it's a very small molecule compared to the lactic acid. However, your glycolic acid, just like your salicylic acid, both of them actually exfoliate the skin. And what they do, they just dissolve the glue that holds the cells together, basically. And so you have microscopic exfoliation, or you can have more pronounced exfoliation. Everyone is different. You know, if you have more peeling compared to someone else, that's okay, as long as you get the results you want without burning, okay? So, and this is when you're doing a chemical peel. But as far as the glycolic acid is concerned, like I stated, it's a very small molecule, so it does a really good job of penetrating the pores. And with that, it helps, the beauty of the glycolic acid, it actually helps with hydration. So if you have dry skin or normal skin, this is the one chemical peel. If you want to get chemical peels done, you want to get the one with glycolic acid because it's going to help replenish that moisture in your skin. Not only does it do that, but it also helps to produce more collagen as well as help with very fine lines and wrinkles. So for a person who has so much sun-damaged skin or dry skin, this is the acid you want to use, okay? Lactic acid, I actually like it in my moisturizers to help with peeling off dead skin on the body. But again, a milder version, less than 5%, you can use for the face. Higher version, such as 10%, is good for the body. Glycolic acid comes in different various strengths also. You can get glycolic acid in your cleansers, in your, like I said, moisturizers as chemical peels. You just want to make sure you're not using too many products that have exfoliators in it so it won't irritate your skin. But as far as with glycolic acid, I tend to use it in products straight as a chemical peel, which I really like it for that. It gives you that natural glow by getting rid of the dead skin. But I also like it as far as in the cleansers. Now, rule of thumb, some authors or research studies will show you that glycolic acid needs to be applied for a period of time, or any acid needs to be applied for a period of time to get the results you're looking for. So in a cleanser, you may not get the results you want, even though on the market, you see it in a lot of different cleansers, okay? So let's go on and talk about the salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid. So salicylic acid, again, works on the glue that keeps the cells together. So by using the salicylic acid, you'll notice exfoliation also. But this is better for acne-prone skin. So it does a really good job of penetrating the pores and therefore breaking up the dead skin and helping with, if you have any red bumps, it helps, it's really good for anti-inflammatory purposes. So it helps with those acne or bacterial red bumps that you tend to get in acne. So this product is actually really good for people with acne, and it's also good because it gets through the oil to get to the acne bump. So again, this is really good for oily skin too. So your salicylic acid is good for oily skin as well as acne prone skin. But what it also does, besides taking care of the red bumps, oily skin, it also helps promote collagen production, and it helps with building thickness of the skin, so you can have thicker, normal thickness of the skin, nothing excessive. Okay, so this will help with the anti-aging approach when I say increasing thickness of the skin. And so those are your difference between the two. So if you have acne prone skin, you want to use a salicylic acid containing products such as the cleansers. Again, same thing, you need to leave it on a long period of time. So the question is, does your cleanser really work? But as far as helping with red bumps and the oiliness, but regardless, it does something more than just plain cleansers. So therefore, your salicylic acid containing cleansers are still better than regular cleansers if you need something for oil and acne. But we can use a straight salicylic acid, of course, in various concentrations for chemical peels. So again, this is something that's good for acne or oil prone skin. And you can get it as just a gel to help, again, with acne and oil production. So whereas on the other hand, acid is really good for people who have sun damaged skin. So again, more for anti-aging, more is better for fine lines and wrinkles, and it's good if you want to increase the hydration in the skin. So those are your difference between the two major groups, alpha hydroxy as well as beta hydroxy and acids. And something to keep in mind as you're trying to find products that are good for you and what you need to take care of and get that gorgeous glow that you're looking for. So I'll see you tomorrow, and thank you again. Take care. Again, any questions? Okay, so I'm Dr. Johnson, your board certified dermatologist and creator of the Gorgeous RX system. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, follow me on facebook.com/Dr. Sonia Johnson, DrSonyaJohnson. Good night.